daily prayers are on time, at the beginning of the time, and you take your time to fulfill them, Allah says, I will make all my tests for you easy to go through. When the Prophet ﷺ went to Taif, he was tested. He lost his children one after the other. He was tested. He went through one upon the other. People created armies in order to fight him. He was tested. Not once was he depressed. Never. He always had hope in Allah. Why? He was regular with his link with Allah. These matters must bring you closer to Allah. This is how they are termed a gift. Inna Allah idha ahabba abdan ابتلاه. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says it is indeed when Allah loves his worshipper that he tests him. So when I have a challenge, I get to Allah, oh Allah help me, oh Allah assist me, oh Allah, my heart is softened. It must soften your heart. It brings you closer to Allah. After a hard heart, problem after problem, difficulty upon difficulty, and subhanallah, do you know what happens? We just become closer to Allah. Don't ever think because you've had 10 issues one after the other, 10 issues one after the other, that Allah hates you. No, in fact He loves you.